Yeah, hi. Welcome back, everyone. Now we'll be starting with the trapezium, okay? So let me share my screen. Yeah. मेरा screen दिख रहा है सबको? Can everyone see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So yeah, this shape, what you see in front of you, this is called a trapezium, okay? ये बड़े में थोड़ा, okay? And this is also, देखोगे तो this is also four-sided shape. So let me just start by telling everyone what it basically is the definition of a trapezium. ये सब लिख लो, okay? Trapezium is a four-sided shape. Everyone has to draw this figure. ये A, B, C, D naming करके ये trapezium को draw भी कर लो. Four-sided shape,
Yes, sir.
okay, with one pair of opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides parallel, being parallel, and the other pair not parallel. Okay. So a trapezium is a four-sided shape with one pair of opposite sides. Opposite मतलब ऐसे opposite या opposite ऐसे. One side of opposite pairs of sides being parallel and the other not being parallel. तो इसमें देखेंगे so A B C D, okay. AB and CD are the opposite sides here, and AD and BC, AD BC ये दोनों opposite. So if you go to see AB and CD, they are parallel, right? But ये ऐसे AD and BC, these are not parallel, है ना? मैंने parallel lines का definition भी बताया है. So ये देख लो. So AB and CD are the parallel sides which are opposite also. Okay, and this is a four-sided shape, so it's called a trapezium. Okay, तो पहले इतना लिख लो, and once you've drawn this figure also, just tell me. Okay,
Yes,
give
sir.
30 more seconds. Okay, so ठीक है. So now if we closely अगर देखेंगे ये trapezium के shape को, तो हम लोग को बहुत चीजें जैसे notice करने में आएंगी. ठीक है, तो this is also a trapezium only. देखो same type का है. So if you zoom in थोड़ा trapezium को अच्छे से देखोगे, so you will technically be able to see कि देखो ADP एक triangle है. This is a triangle plus ABQP. This is like a rectangle, है ना? Plus now BCQ. This is again a triangle. So trapezium is nothing but if we join a triangle, then a rectangle, and one more triangle. तो अगर ये दो तीनों को join करेंगे ऐसे by touching, like by placing them very closely, so it forms a trapezium. So if you'll be able to notice that if you look carefully. So इसके ऊपर like there are many observations made. So let's see now. Okay, so now ठीक है. Okay, just see this. So now with this, we can, अगर इसका पूरा area ढूंढना है, so we can basically find the area of a triangle, then a rectangle, and then another triangle. But अभी हम लोग को हर question में इतना time नहीं है to basically इसको divide ऐसे. Figure तो ऐसे ही दिया होगा. So then we'll have to like make this imaginary line, and then divide this into a triangle, and then again make this imaginary line. वापस एक triangle बनाओ. So that's why इसका एक बहुत simplified formula बन जाता है. So I'll make you all write that, and then फिर उसके ऊपर I'll explain that. ठीक है, तो अभी के लिए ये बस formula लिख लो, and then I'll explain it now only. So area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. ये बस लिख लो formula, and then I'll go on to explain it now. Okay, पहले तो sum means the addition. Okay, sum मतलब addition, product मतलब multiplication. So sum of parallel sides,
Yes, sir.
you need to add the length of the parallel side. So now now let's see. So इसमें in this trapezium, can someone tell me which are the parallel sides over here? Parallel sides कौन से हैं यहाँ पे?
A
हाँ वो,
B
हाँ
P
correct.
Q.
AB and PQ
A
is a
B
DC, है ना? AB and DC पूरा देखो पूरा is D and C ना, so PQ is also
Yes.
correct technically, but we'll say that AB and DC, this is the whole version. AB and DC are the parallel sides. आप whole length पूरा length consider करना है, that's why it's this starts from here ends till here and this starts from here and ends till here. अगर हम लोग PQ बोलेंगे तो PQ का length सिर्फ यहाँ से यहाँ तक आएगा, so it won't cover the entire length. That's why AB and DC. So this will become nothing but half into sum of AB का length, AB का length जितना होगा plus DC का length, that is these are the parallel sides, you add the length into now height will be how much, this is the height है ना, ऊपर से नीचे height मतलब लंबाई जितना होता है, so this is the height. In this case you can call it, देखो either AP बोलो या BQ बोलो, so height is AP or it is BQ, जो भी लिखना है. So let's for now let's write AP. So this A से P तक this length is the height. So half into AB plus DC into AP का length. Okay, अभी ये naming ये पूरा diagram draw करो. Okay, everyone, I want everyone to draw this and then write the area
Yes.
with its naming. Okay. ठीक है, ये पूरा है, ये जल्दी ड्रॉ करो, देन आई विल गिव यू क्वेश्चन, सो तुम लोग को समझ में आएगा कि बेसिकली इसको कैसे यूज करना है. अभी के लिए थोड़ा लंबा फॉर्मूला है बट बहुत इजी हो जाता है वंस यू जस्ट स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन. ओके चलो स्टार्ट, ये जल्दी कॉपी कर लो जल्दी से.
Done, sir.
ओके ठीक है, गुड, आई विल वेट फॉर 30 more seconds for everyone else if anyone wants to see it. So okay, so now let me just do one thing, let me actually copy. Okay, हाँ एक मिनट. ओके नाउ ये क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है एक मिनट. क्वेश्चन में
Yes.
दिया है एपी का लेंथ इज 6 सेंटीमीटर एंड ये होल एक सेकंड, डीपी का लेंथ इज गिवन टू बी 2 सेंटीमीटर, पीक्यू का लेंथ इज अगेन 6 सेंटीमीटर and QC का length is again 2 centimeter. So and the height of this is given to be 10 centimeter. So you need to find area of given trapezium. ठीक है, ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करो एंड फिर you have to find the area of this trapezium. यहाँ से यहाँ पूरा लेंथ कंसिडर करो बस, that's a hint. You need to find like area of this and for finding the area ऐसे पूरे नीचे का साइड का लेंथ यूज करना है, not just one particular thing. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन है, I'm giving you all like 2 minutes and ठीक है स्टार्ट करो.
Sir, we have to solve this question.
हाँ you have to solve it. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Everyone solve it. Okay. Height is given 10 and length भी दिया है साइज का. ठीक है, आराम से अच्छे से कर लो एंड पूरा डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करो बिकॉज अदरवाइज यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज. ठीक है, आई एम वेटिंग. ये एरिया का फॉर्मूला, if anyone wants to see, it's right here. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay, let's just start now. So, okay. So we need to find area of this given trapezium. So area का formula is half multiplied by sum
Sum
of
of
the
parallel
parallel,
side
hmm, correct, into height, है ना?
height.
Yeah. तो यहाँ पे it becomes half into, अभी sum of parallel sides कौन से है? AB plus DC. So AB
AB and
plus
DC.
into now height is AP. तो अभी देखते हैं. So half into AB का लेंथ क्या है? 6, करेक्ट? 6 प्लस नाउ DC का लेंथ कितना है? 6 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 मतलब 6 प्लस 4 है ना? So it's 10, करेक्ट? DC का लेंथ, we need to find DC का whole length. That was the thing कि 2 plus 6
Yes.
plus 6, correct? So 6 plus 10 into now AP का length is 10. So into 10. So now this becomes half into 6 plus 10 is 16 into 10. So now let's see, 2 ones are 2, 2 into 8 is 16. So this is basically 8 into 10. So area, therefore area comes out to be 80 centimeter square. Okay, understood everyone? Yes, write yes in the chat if you understood. Everyone has to reply fast. ठीक है, और कुछ
Sir, can you
पूछना तो
scroll down?
हाँ हाँ ये रहा. If कुछ पूछना तो पूछो जल्दी. ठीक है, okay. Now next question, we'll go ahead fast. Okay, yeah. ये थोड़ा ऐसे देख लो. पहले तो यू फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस सब लोग को ऐसे ट्रपीजियम का जो शेप है ना ऐसे विजुलाइज करना है कि कैसा लगेगा, एंड देन ऑन दैट बेसिस यू कैन ट्राई टू थिंक. ओके, सो इन अ ट्रपीजियम इफ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पैरेलल साइड्स is 6 centimeters. So let me just draw a rough trapezium here. Suppose this is a trapezium. Okay, in a trapezium if distance between parallel sides, abhi parallel sides kaun se hai? This and this. So this distance is 6 centimeter and lengths of the parallel sides are 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Then find area of the trapezium. So bus simple है ना, half into sum of length of the parallel sides multiplied by height. So height
Yes.
becomes 6 and length 1 becomes 7 and length 2 is 8. So bus 7
8.
plus 8. Huh. So then do it. Area is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides multiplied by the height. Okay, तो ये तो भी काफी easy था. So half into 7 plus 8 is 15 into 6. So now solve this. 15 into
45.
6. Very good. Correct. Okay, so 45 centimeter square. Okay, ये लिख लो. And don't forget to write the square thing because that is important. And just for everyone's reference, ये भी देख लो कि this is basically how the diagram should look, and हमारा भी वैसा ही था. Because the distance between the parallel sides का thing length is given, मतलब distance is 6 centimeter, so that becomes technically the height. तो ये ऐसे खुद से थोड़ा सोच के एक easy है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो. Okay, then I think yeah, this also everyone's understood. Okay. Now wait for 1 minute. Let me see now. What are the questions? तो बस एक्चुअली ट्रपीजियम में ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं. ना आई गिव होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस आल्सो, सो वो अभी अगली टाइम विल डिस्कस. एंड बस ये फॉर्म एक ही फॉर्मूला है, हाफ इनटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स इनटू हाइट. ओके, ठीक है. Now with this trapezium का we've completed quite a part, but बस हाँ, now homework will be given, so everyone has to do that, and then we'll continue with the thing next time. Okay, so now let's move
Yes,
on to the
sir.
next thing, which is ये तो सबका ऐसे favorite है, this is triangle. Okay, so पहले तो area of a triangle सबको पता है, area क्या होता है? Anyone can tell me what's the formula? Okay, I don't need it. Half
Half
into
base
half.
multiplied by height.
Very good. So area of a triangle is half into base into height. Okay, so if the triangle looks like this, where this is the height, this is the base, so area is half into base into height. Okay, and ठीक है. Now let's see something else. Okay, एक minute. Now suppose our triangle looks like this. Okay, now this is our triangle. तो इसका एरिया हम लोग कैसे निकालेंगे? बिकॉज दिस ट्रायंगल का हाइट ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज व्हाट द एकदम टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट टू द बॉटम मोस्ट पॉइंट का लेंथ. सो दैट इज in this case, if we write this as the height, it will be wrong. The height of this is the height. So that is now why this other formula of half into base into height doesn't work over here, because the height over here is not the this slanting length, it's the straight length, just सीधा from top A till here, till this point M suppose. So this is the height over here. So now we need to know how to solve such questions. Okay, now we'll see how do we do it. Okay, basically. तो एटलीस्ट बस इतना समझो कि इसमें इफ वी यूज दिस स्लैंटिंग हाइट का लेंथ टू यूज हाफ बेस हाइट तो गलत हो जाएगा. ओके, इतना थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आया. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन मोर, बट एटलीस्ट दिस मच थोड़ा
Yes, sir.
ब्रीफ. ओके या ओके. एंड वन मोर थिंग, नाउ अभी ये ट्रायंगल दिया है, ठीक है. दिस ट्रायंगल इज कॉल्ड ABC, and the length of each side is, देखो, this is small, this length is small c, this length of this side is small b, and this length is small a. So if we write the perimeter of this triangle, it becomes sum of all sides. So perimeter is nothing but a plus b plus c, है ना? That is called perimeter. This is basically the sum of all the sides. Okay, so a plus b plus c centimeter. Okay, and now to what do you say, to find the area of this, we use a formula, and that now everyone write this down. It's called Heron's formula. So in his time, this guy, इसका नाम Heron है, Heron. Heron. So इसने जब ऐसे ये फॉर्मूला ढूंढा, so everyone in his village ना ऐसे इसको हीरो बनाने लगे, हीरो, because it was like such a great discovery he made, like they started calling him hero. तो this called Heron's formula, ठीक है. It's not
Yes.
hero's formula, Heron's, ठीक है. ये बस एक है याद रखने का. So because he found this thing. Okay, so now what Heron said is, to find the area we use something called semi perimeter. And what is semi perimeter? Firstly, it's denoted by S. Semi perimeter is nothing but half of the perimeter. So half of the perimeter, half of A plus B plus C. इसको we denote as S, semi perimeter. Okay, and then he told us that the area का formula will be this. ये थोड़ा लंबा है but लिख लो. Area is nothing but S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, ये बस लिख लो. I'll explain also now. Okay, this is the thing. Under the square root, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. यहाँ पे S क्या है? S is the semi perimeter which you find by A plus B plus C upon 2. And ये जो A B C क्या है? This is this A B C. Okay, ये बस लिख लो, and now we'll do questions so
What
you'll
is the
understand.
S?
S is the semi perimeter. S मतलब semi perimeter, तो S आया ना पहले. S stands for semi perimeter, which is half of the perimeter. A plus B plus C upon 2. ठीक है, ये बस लिख लो, and now we'll do questions so you'll understand how to do it. Okay, question 1. हाँ एक मिनट. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
if the sides of a, ये लिखो सब लोग, if the sides of a triangle are 17 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 26 centimeter, तीन ही साइड होता है ट्रायंगल को, and they are given, find find area of triangle. Okay, ये लिख लो and okay, let's see now. So let me roughly draw the diagram. Okay, wait. Huh. Okay, now if the sides of a triangle are 17, 25 and 26 centimeter, find area. तो देखते हैं चलो. This side is suppose 17 centimeter, this side is 25 centimeter and this side is 26 centimeter. तो पहले तो इस triangle में if we use half into base into height, base हो गया 26 but height क्या है? Height 17 नहीं है because that's the tilted thing. Height will be technically, if you go to see, it's this thing. So that this is what we can't find that easily. That's why we need to use ये
Yes.
hero's formula or Heron's formula. Okay, so देखते हैं. तो यहाँ पे in the above triangle is denoted as A, B and C. Small a, small b, small c. Okay, so let's just assume it to be something. So small a is 26 centimeter, small b is 25 centimeter and small c is 17 centimeter. So we need to find S now. S is semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C upon 2. So now add all A plus B plus C is basically 26 plus 25 plus 17 upon 2. So if you add this, it comes out to be how much? 26 plus 25 is 51 plus 17 is 68. So 68 upon 2 मतलब ये 34 centimeter. That is S. ठीक है? We found S is 34 centimeter. And अभी क्या करना है next? Once we found, देखो formula देखते हैं अभी. So area is equal to under the root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So now under the root, ये अंडर द रूट मत भूलना, ठीक है, नहीं तो बहुत ही अलग आ जाएगा आंसर. सो अंडर रूट ऑफ 34 इंटू नाउ 30 इंटू s माइनस a कितना होता है? s माइनस a इज नथिंग बट s माइनस a मीन्स 34 माइनस 70, सॉरी a क्या है? 26. सो 34 माइनस 26. सो लेट्स राइट दिस 34 माइनस 26 इंटू नाउ s माइनस b. s is 34 minus b is 25 and s minus c, 34 minus c, c is 17. ओके, तो ये हो गया अभी हमारा जो आगे का. सो नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू टू सिंप्लीफाई इसको. तो 34 इंटू नाउ 34 माइनस 26 कितना है? दैट इज 8 इंटू 34 माइनस 25 इज हाउ मच? 9 इंटू 34 माइनस 17 इज हाउ मच? 17. So we need to find this under root of 34 into 8 into 9 into 17. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try to do this. Okay, now abhi I'll tell you a trick to do this. Okay, अभी what normal students will do is वो लोग सब लोग इस पूरे को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और फिर उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे, और जिसका स्क्वायर रूट हम लोग को पता भी नहीं है इतने हाई नंबर का, राइट? सो ओके, बिफोर दिस
Yes.
टेल मी वन थिंग आर्यन, टेल मी हाउ मच इज द अंडर रूट ऑफ 3 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? हाउ मच इज दिस?
9.
हाँ, तो देखो, दिस इज बेसिकली अंडर रूट ऑफ 9 व्हिच कम्स आउट टू बी 3 ओनली ना.
Yes.
अंडर रूट ऑफ 3 स्क्वायर, तो मतलब 9 का वापस करेंगे तो 3 आ जाता है ना. सो अंडर रूट ऑफ 4 स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट 4. अंडर रूट ऑफ 5 स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट 5. हाउ? बिकॉज 4 का स्क्वायर मतलब 4 into 4 which is 16 एंड उसका वापस ये स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है ना, दिस थिंग. सो दैट्स हाउ इट कम्स आउट टू बी 4. ओके, ये बस बता रहा था. नाउ यू विल सी व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू दिस. Okay, so if we see the number 34, we can write 34 as, हम लोग उसको लिख सकते हैं as 2 into 17, है ना. 34 को we can write as 2 into 17. See, 17 into 2 is 34. So we write it as ये 34 की जगह we write 2 into 17 into 8 into 9 into 17. Now you'll see why. अभी देखो ये 17 17 दो बार आ गया. So we write this as 17 का square, correct? Into now 2
Yes,
into
sir.
8. 2 into 8 is how much? 2 8s are 16 into
16.
9. Yeah, correct. Into 9. So now this is under root of 17 square into 16 is how much? 4 ka square na? Into 9 is how much? 3 ka square. See, all perfect squares came out. And like I told you before, under root of 4 square is how much? 4 only. So under root of 17 square into 4 square into 3 square is nothing but 17 into 4 into 3. ये ऐसे ऐसे क्योंकि because the square root sign ये square भी कट गया. So this is 17 into 4 into 3. And now you need to solve this and this will be the answer of the area of the triangle. ये part सबको समझा? End का part. We'll do more questions. So
Yes, sir.
आगे समझ में आ ही जाएगा. Okay, so 17 fours are how much? 68 and 16 to 3. So 204 centimeter square. That is the area of the triangle. ये पूरा लिख लो अच्छे से. Tell me कहाँ ये copy किया है पूरा question
Yes, sir.
and diagram भी
Sir.
copy किया?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So ठीक है, तो ये working है पूरा. Write it exactly like this. ये मत लिखो. Okay, so therefore area of the triangle is 204 centimeter square. Okay, I'm giving all 1 minute. पूरा लिख लो. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, chalo, very good. Now we'll just do 1 2 more questions. Question 2. देखो अभी ये triangle ऐसा दिया है. Okay, where this is A B C. And here you are asked to find area. Find area of triangle. तो अभी ये क्वेश्चन में क्या करोगे? दिस इज अ वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. इसमें हम लोग हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला नहीं यूज करेंगे. एंड नाउ यू नो व्हाई. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हाट डू से, इसमें तो हाइट इज गिवन प्रॉपर ना. हाइट इज एग्जैक्ट क्योंकि दिस इज 90 डिग्रीज. तो ये हाइट ये 90 डिग्रीज है ना, तो ये हाइट प्रॉपर 6 है. सो बेस का लेंथ इज 8 सेंटीमीटर, हाइट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. तो बस एरियाज व्हाट? एरियाज हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. देखो तो बेसिकली दो टाइप के ट्रायंगल होते हैं. एक ऐसा होता है जिसमें 90 डिग्रीज आता है, जिसमें यू कैन यूज. और अगर ऐसा ट्रायंगल है यहाँ पे, तो कहाँ पे 90 डिग्रीज नहीं है ना. ना दिस इज व्हाई यू यूज हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला
Yes.
एंड दिस इज व्हाई यू यूज द नॉर्मल फॉर्मूला. तो ठीक है, दो दो टाइप के होते हैं. सो नाउ एरियाज हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. सो हाफ into 8 into 6. So now 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So area is 4 multiplied by 6, which is 24 centimeter square. That is the area of this triangle. ये वाला बहुत easy type का method है क्योंकि इसमें the height is also given to us exactly. We are sure of the height. That's why you can use this formula. Okay, understood this one, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Okay, good, good. Um, hmm. Okay, so देखो triangle का भी now I'll give homework questions to everyone, and you all will be able to do that. And okay, so इसके बाद we have basically mixed figures जिसमें दो तीन टाइप के अलग अलग ऐसे वो diagrams combined आएंगे. तो उसका कैसे वो सब ढूंढना है. Now that we'll do in the remaining classes. Okay, so I'll send all the homework. Okay, and yeah, so that's all for today's class. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Yeah, see you all next time. Okay.